a kind of pitha. This is a kind of Bangladesi rice cake. It's called Teler pitha. This is rice powder, 100% rice powder, and here is some salt and sugar.
The baking powder.
Baking powder. This pot is baking powder.
এটা আটা।
And there are some wheat flour. And that's all. And she mixed up by hand. And it keep it with water. Then we mix them up. Just mixing it. And the rice powder. The name of the pitha she will make is Teler pitha. That is a rice, a kind of rice cake, and delicious, sweet. I like it. However, she is very skilled lady, very quick, fast, and that's all. She mixed it up with sugar, some salt, with rice powder. So she set the gas, set the soybean oil, and this is the mixed rice powder, and mixed with sugar, salt, some baking powder, and she stirring it. But this is the gas stove. She's waiting to make it warm. The oil. She puts. And carefully she put into the saucepan, and you take time to get the shape, just like a shape. Oh, it's changing. Just like a saucer. The color will be changed into reddish brown. So I have to wait. Oil. Becoming brownish. So you can see just spectacular saucer shape. It is okay, completed. That one cake is completed. I should put it here. This is the pitha, and in English, the common English name is rice cake. The she put under water. Oh, now the oil is hot, so it becomes saucer-like. Ah, it's wonderful. চাটনি না, চাটনি। No, it's completed. Maybe perfectly made, and she will take it off from the oil. For another pitha, she put. She's going to make another pitha. This Teler pitha. Oh, very soon. It's getting changing and spectacular. Amazing. Like saucer. Oh, it's finished. She can make now many cakes, rice cakes, delicious cakes, sweet. The taste is sweet. This is the number 3. She will take it out from the saucepan and it's well fried. Now she gave me 3 pieces of rice cake just made by hand, and I will take one and will test it how it is.